Alright everybody, this is the demo on how to download and save one photo from your Google Drive to your J Drive folder. If you open up your Osseo Apps account, you are going to be asked to log in. And you're going to find a picture that you would like to download. I've got so much stuff in here. Alright, I'm going to download this picture of Nora. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to open up the picture, and on my top right hand side I'm going to click on the arrow with a line underneath, and that's going to download the picture. You can see downloading one picture works pretty fast. It appears on the bottom left, and you can either open it up after you download, and then you can come up to the right hand corner and you can where'd you do it? Open with? You could open it in Photoshop if you want to do it that way. Sometimes it is nice once you download your picture, if you open up your J Drive folder, you can click on the downloads, and there's the picture that I downloaded. So to get that picture into my J Drive folder, I just kind of shrink down or minimize my downloads, and then I'm going to open up. Usually I would click on my J Drive, but I don't have that on my desktop. I'm going to put my J Drive folder on the right side of the screen and my downloads on the left side of the screen. And this is for my portrait unit, so I'm going to drag that photo into my J Drive folder so then I know where it is. That's how you can download one picture from your Google Drive and get it into your J Drive folder.